Jewish holiday, so the whole office is closed.
Oh, nice.
There's people.
Right, welcome. Today is day 14 of 30 days of AI. We're excited to get going. We're 2 weeks in, so let's see what we have in store for us today. Thanks, Max, for making an awesome class. Okay, all right, let's go. Day 14. Say hi to your 100 school crew. All right. Today's task: connect, share, and catch up if you need. I guess not everybody is doing every day like me. All right. Day 14 here, we're adding the third ingredient. Community. Let's zoom in a little bit. I can barely see that. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right. Community. First week, we leaned into willpower, habits. Now we need each other, and we're doing it through a game. Ooh, today's challenge is simple. Connect with the rest of the 100 school. Hi, everybody. You don't need to overthink. It's lightweight, playful way to say hi. Share a glimpse of what we've been making. There we go. Oh, cool. There we go. All the people making stuff. All right. And if we're behind, today's the day to catch up. All right. Let's say hi and share. Okay. We got up here. All right. Ready for day 14. 2 weeks in. Halfway done. Exciting. All right. So community power. Reflect, connect, celebrate. Organizational psychologist Adam Grant discovered that the most successful people fall into two categories: givers or takers. Takers focus on getting as much from others, while givers contribute. I hope I'm contributing to your learning and everyone's learning. Here's the fantastic part. Givers don't just perform better in the long run, they create ripple effects that elevate entire communities. I sure hope so. All right. Oh, there's Santa. Santa's always the giver. I see that. All right. In our 30 days challenge, the principle is transformative. When we share our struggles, we're lighting the path for others. But here's what a lot of people miss. Giving isn't about posting your content. Some of those power givers happens in the small moments. Leaving a comment on someone's post, offering specific feedback. Yep. Celebrating their wins as enthusiastically as your own. Yeah, that's true. These micro acts of generosity cost you seconds, but can fuel someone's motivation for days. I see that. Absolutely. All right. So what are our objectives today? Pause and reflect, celebrate, connect with others, and catch up. And we're just using LinkedIn, email, text. All right. Spotlight. Here are some examples of givers. Click on the image to zoom in. All right. So here we got day 9. Stuart. Yeah, I see Stuart all the time. I like all of his posts. I see Stuart. He's all over the place on LinkedIn. Zandra. Divya, here we go. She's not here today. Divya's here almost every day.
Yeah.
She's a part of this community. Awesome. Welcome. Congrats, Divya. And then your friend, Pinky. Nice. Excellent. Oh, wait a minute. Snap. There I am. Nice. I got featured. Loretta Goodwin. I see her all over the place as well. And then Ellie. Oh, this is my friend Ellie. She used to work for me. She was one of my employees at Best Buy when I was a manager at Best Buy. And looks like she might steal my AI sandwich term. Very cool. That's exciting. All right. Our contribution to the community. Choose one of the options and categories below and share what you're learning via the 30 days hashtags. Select the category, click the card. Something quick and visual, something playful, something reflective. What do we think? I think quick and visual. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like quick and visual. Okay. Quick and visual. The Giver's Quest 100. Happy category, and then select card to reveal your sharing option. The Giver's Quest 100. I like it. Show your workspace. Share a 30-second tour of where the magic happens, or snap a picture. Oh, like my workplace? Am I supposed to take a picture of this, like where I'm working? I guess I could do that. That's interesting. Okay. All right, all right, all right. I can do that. Oh, this is going to be very meta. I'm going to see how this looks. Okay, we're supposed to share a workspace. Do I have enough light in here? So I could do that. I could share my workspace. Let's see here. There's my mouse. It's very hard to get everything. All right. Okay, I'll upload that when I share my LinkedIn post. I'll add that to it. So this is where the magic happens. Yeah, I was doing a lesson from an app that talks about making sure everything's clean on your desk, and clean your desk, clean your mind, so you don't get cluttered. So it helps you focus better. So I'm doing my best at keeping my desk and everything extremely clean. All right. So our gift to others, what are we doing? Every honest comment, so not every BS comment, but every honest comment you leave makes someone feel seen. I could see that. Every celebration you offer reminds someone of that their progress matters. Every piece of feedback you share helps someone grow. This is what makes our 100 school learning community unique. And I've been doing a little bit of that. I could be doing better. I'm liking people's posts, but I'm not probably commenting as much as I should be. Flip a card and let destiny decide on your mission. Or if we're feeling generous, we can do more than one gift. Mark then completed. Amplify, ask, connect, encourage, give, support. Let's see here. What are we going to do? Maybe connect. I like connecting. What's this one? Okay. Tag someone in a post that might help them or relate to their journey. Blank name. Your project reminds me of what others shared. What would happen if you combine both your ideas? And that's for connecting. Oh, or connecting to other people. Encouragement. Leave 3 meaningful comments on 3 posts from someone else in the community. I like this one.
Keep going though. What do the other ones say?
Mhm. You can do them all. Amplify. Share and add your own insights or feedback to someone else's post. Absolutely. Is that the top one? Yeah. Ask a thoughtful follow-up question. What's one feature? How do you see yourself using this outside of class? Nice. We did those 2. Give. Share a helpful tool or tip in response to someone's challenge. Nice. Or support. Offer a genuine word of encouragement to someone taking the challenge. Nice. These are awesome. So let's do that. We could absolutely do that one. Off a follow-up question. See here, which one should we go with?
Go back to, I thought the encourage one was good.
Encourage? All right. Yeah, I did like this one. Leave meaningful comments on 3 posts from someone else in the community. What did you like about their work? What potential did you see? All right.
You kind of already do that though.
There we go. So when I go to my LinkedIn, everything is 100 days of AI. or 30 days of AI. Okay, what did you like about their work? What ideas did it spark? What potential do you see? All right, so let's see here. Instantly, let's look for that. Yeah, here's my ads. Yeah, okay, you guys don't want to scroll through. Watch me scroll through my LinkedIn feed. So let's find, there's Stuart. I see a lot of his stuff, but I don't comment on his quite a bit. Let's see what he's got. There's me. Zandra, we saw her. Loretta. See, these are the people that are all that are that were in the. All right, 30 days of AI tracker. There's the tracker. Let's go to Loretta. She's got 3 comments. Jocelyn. See her. She's making it. Which
What
day
about
is
a
it?
what about a company? What about a company profile versus? I guess it doesn't matter.
There we go. We'll leave a comment for her. And then she's got some friends. There's Loretta Goodwin. Stewart. I liked his. Let's do, came out pretty clean. Oops. There we go. I don't know who Stuart is, by the way, just so you guys know. I have no clue. I just see him on LinkedIn. That's it. Let's find one of his other posts. Let's find something meaningful. So I know this isn't technically AI related, but oh, okay. So he combined a bunch of them together. Okay, so this is being genuine because I do see him all the time.
You can add one to my AI post.
All right, I can absolutely do that. There we go. There's you, Mark Cruz. Nice. I like that.
Go to my posts. There you go. And there's that one that says that before that one right there. The one that talked about that one, yeah.
Okay. We want to spend time. Okay. Solving complex issues before AI. Yeah. There we go. AI will take your job. Yeah.
There you go.
There we go. All right. Community. Excellent. All right. So yeah, so we got some encouragement. We don't have to record all of this for everyone, but it'd be a good idea to go back or just maybe at least make a habit. Not that we have to take all this time to do this every single time, but as we go through this and just as we go through LinkedIn and potentially life in general, you know, just thinking about how we can help other people and push them up a little bit. Like you were saying, just a little bit of encouragement. So what can we do later? So that I have to do this because I'm told to, but just think about moving forward. If I see something, hey, like if this is legit and I see somebody's, you know, post and it does make me think of somebody else, like I should connect the two. I should say something. I should share a helpful link. Not that Max is telling me to do it today, but just moving forward and in life, this is a good practice to do. Genuine words of encouragement. It's always good. All right, we got a little bit here, but looks like we finished up pretty quickly. It's finishing time. And now that we're done with our second week, how are we feeling? Share something we've built, which tools we've been using, and our biggest takeaways. Filling this out helps us lock our progress and gives us insight. All right, excellent. How are we completing our journey? So let's fill this out. There we go. Confused? I'm trying to, but nah, I wouldn't say confused. AI is clicking and I'm building momentum. Yeah. I feel blocked. Nope. I'm exploring but fully not confident. No, I'm feeling a little bit of confident. I'm gonna go with I'm good. I'm excited.
Mhm.
I'm
Yep.
building momentum. This is good. This isn't extremely complex. So this is, yeah, definitely a lot of the high level AI information. Like we're not building, you know, chatbots through nodes in N8N yet. Maybe we'll do that. I don't know. AI agents is coming soon. Okay. Upload your file, paste the link, did something that you built. What are you liking? What are you not liking? Okay, so there's quite a few questions here. Okay. Which project did we do? I don't know which one I'm going to do. Let's look at my posts. Let's find a project for me. Which one have I built here recently? Activity, create a post. Let's look at all my posts and see which ones I liked for the projects. I did like this one. This one was pretty cool, asking the spreadsheet, the dig method, intern. Which one was this one? You know, I do think probably the best one was the notebook LM one.
Yeah. If I had to just, and I still need to complete the past couple of over the weekend, but that one really stuck out to me as like, whoa, this is cool.
Yeah, I think that was what, day 3? Yep, here it is. Probably day 3.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep, I definitely like this one the best. Learned so much. What we'll do, we'll take a screenshot of this. There we go. Okay, yes, so we like that one. So we'll do that. So our project description, connecting two different to get an audio description. Link file. And we'll grab that one that we just did. There we go. We'll do the link directly to the post. See here. I know I can get a link directly to the post somehow. Copy link, there it is. All right. What are you liking the most about this challenge? So I like the different ideas in the framework. I don't know, what are you thinking so far?
I like the exposure to multiple different AI tools.
Yeah.
And being able to basically decide, okay, how can I use this in my daily business activities to speed up, help me make me more efficient.
Yeah. Yeah. Daily. Yeah. Absolutely. So it's not just about doing the lesson. Like we do the lesson, we learn a little bit, great, but if we don't apply it in real life, or if we don't apply it in what we do in our work, in our professional life, then what does it matter? Learning something just to know it doesn't mean anything. Knowledge is not power. Knowledge with action is power.
Right. Applying it is the key.
Yes, knowledge with application. Yes. If you could change one thing about this challenge, what would it be? I would say more or different use of different LLMs. So that could be like Claude.
Mm-hmm.
You know, what we haven't touched. We did Gemini a little bit. Meta, Gronk.
Perplexity.
We did a little bit. Yeah, we didn't do any Perplexity yet. Yeah.
It's got a cool, I kind of like its user interface.
Oh yeah, I'm a huge.
It's the same as they're all kind of very similar, but that one's pretty intuitive.
I like Perplexity. Okay. Rate this week's lessons. How valuable was this week's content to your actual work? I think it was valuable. Absolutely. Absolutely. Anything else you want to share about your learning journey? Loving this so far? Learning how to use different tools. And I will do again. Do more different and more lessons. Again, 100%. This is probably like my 5th lesson through 100 school, something like that. I don't know. Okay. All right. And we are done. We're finished up. We completed the form. We are all set. Is there complete my lesson? All right. 2 weeks in. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this is helpful, and have a great rest of your day, everyone.